Hey guys, so I have a 2011 Ram 1500. I'm having p0685 and 88 error code, and that relates to the starter relay on my truck. This is starter relay right here. Again, this is a 2011 Ram 1500 4x4 with a 5.7 Hemi quad cab. Regarding the p0685 and 88 code. So as it turns out, it was not the relay. It was actually the starter that was bad. So what I did to actually test the starter, I just used a wire like this right here, and you bridge that one right here with this one right here. You just pretty much just stick this inside the two of these right here diagonally like that. And once you do that, that will send current directly to the starter. So if you put that inside and it doesn't and your starter doesn't start, that means the starter is bad. So in that case, you just replace the starter. So yeah, I was having the p0685 and 88. It was telling me with a relay, but it wasn't the relay. It turned out to be the actual starter. So hopefully this helps someone out there. All right, bye.